Hi guys, today we've got this easy high curly bun hairstyle. To start, I'm going to leave out some hair to frame the face, and we're going to use this later on, so just clip this out of the way at the front for now. With the remaining hair, I'm going to tie this into a high ponytail. Then take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Spray it across the head and then gently pinch all around that ponytail using your finger and thumb. Now taking a section of hair from the underside of the ponytail on both sides, take both these sections in front of the ponytail and then tie them together with a clear elastic band. Then just use your fingers to make it a little bit bigger by pinching and pulling at the edges of that tied off section, and we're just going to repeat this all the way down that ponytail. So again, take two sections from the underside of the ponytail, bring them together at the front and tie them together with an elastic band, and then pinch and pull at that section to make it more voluminous. Carry on doing this until you reach the bottom of the hair. When you get to the last section, we're just going to divide that hair equally in half and bring it round the front again, and just repeat the same steps. So tie it together and then pinch and pull. Now take another clear elastic band and tie everything together at the bottom, but on the last turn only pull those tail ends part way through so you create a loop. Now take that little loop and we're just going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail to form a bun. Tuck the ends underneath and then secure all around the outside of the bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Release those front sections and we're going to curl everything away from the face on both sides. Now taking a topsy tail tool, I'm going to take one of those curls and I'm going to pass this through the top of the bun and then just secure it in place with a bobby pin. And because I want this curl coming out the bottom of the bun, I'm just going to thread it through one more time so it falls out of the bottom of the bun. Then with the second curl, I want this coming down the side of the bun, so I'm going to slip it in the top left hand corner, take that curl through the loop and then pull it all the way through, securing with a bobby pin at the top. And then we're just simply going to do the same on the other side. This one I want coming out the bottom, so I'm just passing it all the way through from the top of the bun to the bottom, and again remember to secure it with a bobby pin. And for that second curl, I want it coming out on the side of the bun, so I'm just going to pop it through the top part of the bun to the right hand side, pull your curl through and then secure it with a couple of bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.